Friends, Karwa Chauth is the festival of celebration of love and bonding between a married couple. The love, faith, belief, willpower, and celebration of married life all are beautifully reflected on the day of Karwa Chauth. I, Leena Kapoor, your spiritual mentor, am trying to show you the practical aspect of this festival through this video. In earlier days, most of the festivals were celebrated in honor of Mother Nature. Mother Nature, who gave us so many bounties of health and wealth that makes our life sustainable. Even Lord Krishna gave us a strong message of celebrating the festivals in honor of nature by initiating the offerings, prayers and rituals to Govardhan Mountain, who was the protector of whole village. In practical world, the festival is originated in northern India to celebrate the time of sowing the wheat crop. Wheat is stored in big earthen pots known as karwas. To see these karwas full of wheat, farmers and their wives used to sacrifice one day without eating wheat in hope that they will get good harvest and their karwas will be full of wheat grains. That's why the festival Karwa Chauth was celebrated in northern India. Another practical aspect of this festival is many years back in northern India, the girls were not supposed to be married in same village as whole village was considered as one family. So, after marriage, the bride had to go with her husband to his village with which she was totally unfamiliar. Now, to help the bride to get adjusted to new family and to new village, the tradition was that she make a woman of new village her Kangan Saheli or god sister or god friend to share the sorrows and happiness with her. For this, the would-be bride buy new karwa and put bangles, ribbons, sweets, makeup items in it and give to another woman on 4th day of Kartik month known as Karwa Chauth. Her Kangan Saheli or the god sister also gave her same type of karwa. This exchange of karwa strengthened the bond between the two married women as Dharm Behan or Kangan Saheli or god sisters or god friends. However, as the time passed by, this aspect of the festival faded away and women started observing fast on this day to pray for the longevity of their husbands and celebrating the marital happiness on Karwa Chauth. Till now, there is a tradition of rotating karwas among married women. So friends, celebrate this festival in full glory. Remember, it's a celebration, so it should be celebrated for the belief you feel most attracted to and not because of any fear or force. Enjoy the festivities, the celebrations, and don't forget to be grateful to Mother Nature. This was Leena Kapoor, your spiritual mentor. Have a great day. Thank you so much.